Hello everyone, welcome to Formfully channel. In this video, we are diving into the TCS Wings 1 articulation track questions. We will be going through a series of MCQs of articulation track that are inspired by previous year exams. So if you are planning to conquer the articulation exam, watch the full video series that will help you prepare for this track. Let's get started with the first question. Question 1. The act of expressing something in a coherent form is option A. Documentation, option B. Articulation, C. Digital marketing, D. Knowledge management. And the correct option is B. Articulation. Question 2. To make your articulation journey truly agile, option A. Be concise and to the point. B. Spend time on structuring information logically to help your users scan quickly and access the info they need. Option C. Understand your audience need and orient the articulation based on this. Option D. Only A and B. And the correct option is A, B, C. Question 3. You are creating content in English which will be translated into 5 other languages after the customer approves the baseline content. Which of the following guidelines would you follow to articulate a way that it is translation ready? Option A. Avoid idioms. B. Use standard terminology. C. Use active voice. D. Avoid using lists and illustrations to present information. And the correct option is A, B, and C. Question 4. For effective articulation, avoid using option A. List, tables, charts, and graphics. Option B. Acronyms and abbreviations with their expanded form. C. Cross references. D. Jargons and long, complex sentences. And the correct option is D. Jargon and long, complex sentences. Question 5. A well articulated message is option A. Coherent and concise. B. Easy to understand. C. Always uses visuals. D. Descriptive and provides extensive details. And the correct option is A and B. Question 6. In today's agile world, nobody has the time to read too much of details. Therefore, it is important to option A. Provide details after the main point is articulated at the beginning. Option B. Get straight to the point. Option C. Structure information such that your readers are able to scan through the content quickly. Option D. All of the above. And the correct option is D. All of the above. Question 7. Which of the following statement is incorrect? A. Messaging or communication happens at every step during project delivery. B. Articulation is a key component of all aspects that involves messaging, whether it is in the form of communication, user interface design, or documentation. Option C. Articulation does not apply to user documentation as it can be shared with multiple user groups. Option D. Email, chat, phone calls, presentation, ticket responses, and status reports are all application areas of articulation area as they involve direct communication with specific receivers. And the correct option is C. Question 8. Articulation is a key component of all aspects that involves messaging such as option A. User interface, web content, and user messages. B. Business communication such as email, chat, presentation, and status reports. C. Project documentation. And D. All of the above. And the correct option is D. All of the above. Question 9. Content created for projects following the agile approach need not be reviewed. Option A. True. The focus is on functional software. Content is secondary. Option B. False. Inaccuracies and lack of clarity can adversely impact your team standing with the customer. Review can help you address these issues. And the correct option is B. Question 10. Consistent messaging across multiple posts and multiple social media platforms is important as it helps option A. Reinforce your message. B. Establish your personal and company's brand image. C. Establish that you take the medium of communication and your messaging seriously. Option D. Get more comment, like, and shares. And the correct option is A, B, and C. Thanks for watching. If you find this content valuable, do like, share, and subscribe.